Ever wondered how apps find your name, pull up order history, or show search results in a blink? That magic is often powered by one language, SQL. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you what SQL actually is and how it talks to databases like a super efficient librarian.
SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's the standard way to talk to relational databases, the systems that store data in tables. Think spreadsheets with rules. With SQL, you ask questions, queries, and the database returns answers. 4 basic actions you'll hear about a lot: select, read data; insert, add data; update, change data; delete, remove data.
Example, select name from customers where city equals Mumbai. This asks the database, give me customer names from Mumbai. Easy, readable, powerful.
Databases can join tables, like connecting orders with customers, so you can combine data across tables. That's how complex reports and personalized feeds are built.
So, SQL is the simple, readable language apps use to get, add, or change structured data. If you want to build anything that stores info, websites, apps, analytics, learning basic SQL is one of the most useful skills you can pick up. Try running a select on a sample table, and you'll see how fast you get results.
All right, if you want to know about computer science, data analytics, AI, ML, computer networking, and more, all videos links are added in the description or visit channel. See you in next video.
Like and subscribe for get notified for new videos and hit the bell.